Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the gaming roadmap. I'm Shlok Netalkar. Today I will be giving you an introduction on LokiCraft 2. I have created a world to show the introduction of LokiCraft 2. So let's go. First, I will tell you how to wear a costume. So let's do it. So first I will tell you about the diamond costume. So let's wear. So we have to take it now and wear. First helmet, then this all things. So I will tell you about next costume of iron. I have taken all this. So now there is the iron costume and we can remove it also. I showed that. So I will wear the gold one now. This is also very good. And now I will put the leather one. The leather one is here, yes. Leather costume. So I will take a helmet too. Yes, I got it. So now let's wear. Yes. And now I will tell you about another thing. If it is dark, so to make it morning, we have to sleep on bed to make morning quickly. Now I am taking you to another information. So let's go. So you can see this. I don't have to open with my hands like this. Wait, I will show. I don't have to open with hands like this. I can, if I put my legs on the pan, it opens and closes. And we have many colors. TNT. This is a bomb that is used to make holes in the ground. So I will show how. A TNT to blast. So this is a redstone. This is used for this is used to blast the bomb TNT, and we can use it normally also without the redstone. So I will show you it also. Oh no, yes, the TNT I will put there and the lever and I will on it. Yes, this was the normal type. Now we move to the next introduction. Yes. Yes. Now we are going to the next. Yes. This is the option. So we can change things from this customized things of Lokicraft. And now we are going to next of the egg of villagers. We can make villagers from this. It is the first egg, and we can make pig and all things that we want, sheep also. And now we are moving to the next. Ladders. If ladders help us to come down and climb up, I'm showing you on another wall how to put it also. So we have to click on it to put, and we can climb it easily. Stairs are difficult to put. This is the easier. Painting. If painting is used to put to, there are many paintings to put, and we can put anyone. Chest is used to put things in it. And next is the arrow, bow and arrow. We can shoot things easily. So I will give you an example. It is easier to kill the zombies and anything. It takes 4 this to kill a villager, and 10-20 of with hands. So it is easier. And we have also a sword. It is also the same, but it is stronger than the bow. In 3 times we can kill the zombies. And let's move to the next. Yes. The underground passage. So I'm sleeping to make day. Now I will tell you about carpet. Carpet can be used to make some designable thing on the floor. We have to put carpet afterwards of building the all things. So see, if we put anything on the floor, it comes up. So we should put before then the carpet is coming. And now to the next, mind cart. This helps you for traveling. This is a type of train to move here from there. Yes, I have one more thing about the carpet. Wait. No, first boat. boats are of many types and we can sail on it in the water. And again to the minecart. Minecart are of many types. We can of the normal and with chest. And the last is of no, the second last is of hopper, and the last is of one minecart fallen down. Wait, first I will build it again. Yes, and I will put the last, the TNT minecart. So the TNT minecart is dangerous. I showed the TNT bomb. It is same like that, but it has a reel. So I will tell about the rails. The rails are of powered rails, and there are many. There are two another type of rail. You can use it, and we have another thing. It is torch. The redstone torch is not strong, but the torch is strong, normal torch. And I will now tell about wooden road hopper. So this is used to shut anything. I will put the grass again. And we have the steel, and this makes a fire, and there is a doors of many types. The best door is the brick door. It is very good and beautiful. Iron bars. Iron bars are like steel coverage, and we have the furnace. Furnace cannot be opened, and it is good. So, and this are openable ones. So now I will tell about I will show my village to you. So there is my tower built, my building. This is my building. This is the last floor. And now I will show my another building. It is a small building. First, I will show my bungalow. Yes. I will show my building in last. This is the same like the another one. And the farm, this farm is very beautiful. We can grow crops. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my video.